The shock from America has begun. It's quiet. The markets are quiet right now. But that silence ... is the most dangerous signal of all. At this very moment, 5-time bombs are ticking simultaneously inside the US economy. This is not a conspiracy theory. These are numbers, data, history, and these bombs ... are already activated. BOMB1 debt and interest as national debt, $34 trillion. That's over $100,000 in debt for every single American citizen. But the real terror isn't the size, it's the speed. America now spends more on debt interest than on its military. $1 trillion every year. This money doesn't build schools. It doesn't fix roads. It doesn't invest in the future. It simply disappears, paying for the consumption of the past. This is not what a growing nation looks like. This is what a stagnating empire looks like. BOMB2, pension called to Social Security funds running out. Within 10 years, automatic pension cuts of 20% or more. There are only 3 options: raise taxes, cut benefits, print more money. None of them are politically possible, so the choice America's politicians have made is just one: delay. But history tells us delayed problems always come back with a much bigger impact. BOMB3, industrial hollowing. America is no longer a country that makes things. A significant portion of advanced semiconductors imported. During the pandemic, America couldn't even produce enough masks or basic medicines on its own. When factories disappear, it's not just jobs that vanish. Technology disappears, entire ecosystems disappear. A nation's resilience disappears. This is not an economic cycle problem. This is a problem of national strength. BOMB4, the cracking dollar, the world's reserve currency. America printed dollars and bought the world's real resources. That was America's exclusive privilege. But now, central banks around the world are reducing their dollar holdings. Gold purchases are at their fastest pace in decades. China and Russia have built payment systems that bypass the dollar entirely. Saudi Arabia has begun accepting yuan for oil payments. When trust cracks, the reserve currency cracks with it. And when the reserve currency collapses, America will, for the first time, have to live within its actual means. That adjustment will not be quiet. BOMB5, political paralysis. Fall of great powers does not begin with external enemies. It begins with internal collapse of consensus. Right now, America can't even agree on what the problems are. Budget crises, repeated government shutdowns. Even election results are no longer trusted. When a storm hits, you need to row. But right now, America is attacking itself instead of rowing. When politics stops, reform stops. And empires where reform stopped ... have all vanished into history. These 5 bombs will not detonate separately. They are connected, they operate together. Rising debt gives declining investment, gives weakening industry, gives collapse of the middle class, gives political radicalization, gives complete paralysis. When one shakes, the entire structure faces domino pressure. And the markets ... markets always react last. The crash comes without warning. The most dangerous moment is when everyone is saying everything is fine. So what should you be watching right now? Dollar flows, US Treasury yields, pension reform debates. The pace of industrial restructuring and political risk. These 5 factors will determine the direction of the next several years. This is not a call to bet on fear. This is a call to face reality. Diversifying assets is defense. Excessive leverage is the greatest risk of this era. This is not a prediction that America will collapse tomorrow, but the cracks exist. And those cracks are growing right now at this very moment. Historically, the transition period of empires was when the most money moved. Crisis is not fear for those who are prepared. It is opportunity. Now is not the time to deny it. Now is the time to prepare. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.